Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to BXR on Halo 2. First, you need a full clip to perform this combo. Melee the enemy, then immediately press reload and fire to deliver an instant kill if you aim for the head. For when you don't have a full clip, this combo allows you to perform quick melee without reloading. This trick is to melee, reload, and melee again, ensuring the first melee connects before proceeding to the next. A more advanced technique requiring quick double taps of the right trigger to shoot, followed by reload, which is a double shot. Timing is critical because if done correctly, it will auto-reload your BR and allow you for a fast follow-up shots. The combo can be further extended with the YY cancel after the double shot, leading to a quad shot. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.